In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord screen sharing block screen. The first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and restart your screen share. Stop your current screen share and try sharing your entire screen instead of just a specific application. After you do that, go ahead and adjust Discord settings. Go ahead and open the Discord app and head over into the user settings, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. Click on the user settings, and on the user settings, you'll find the left side of your screen a sidebar. So click on voice and video chat under the sidebar, and that will take you to the voice and video settings. Now in here, go ahead and disable use our latest technology for screen sharing and turn off hardware acceleration under advanced settings. So once you have done that, go ahead and restart your device all over again and try screen sharing again. That's basically how you can fix Discord screen sharing block screen. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.